off my head, y'all. I done cut off my damn hair. I said, let me come on and tell my people, because they gonna click on this video and they gonna be like, Hoppa, who this here lady? Hoppa, who this lady? Oh, it's me, it's me, it's your girl, Nita. Yes, I did a big chop, y'all, and I bleached it. And after this video, y'all, I'm going to head on over to the salon. I'm going to let them go ahead and shape it up and chop it up a little bit more for me and give me a little style to it, okay? But yes, y'all, I don't know how long I'm going to wear this thing. I'm going to do this wig back on my head. But in the meantime, y'all, just know that it is me. Just know that. 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 I've been grinding. Wasting all my time. Just know that. Just know that. Just know that. Let's get into the purpose of this video. It is about this guest bathroom that y'all have been patiently waiting on. I've been finished it, y'all. I just had not gotten around to doing the video, so let's go ahead and decorate it and get it all done. So guys, before we get into decorating the new bath, I just wanted to give you guys a recap of the before. So this is what the bath was looking like before the remodel, and it was a little dark in here, and so I just wanted to kind of bring it up to par with the rest of the house. So let's go ahead and start decorating the after. So guys, as we are decorating the room, I did want to just drop back in to say thank you guys. Thank you for always tuning in, stopping by, supporting your girl, especially to my family members, my subscribers, my favorite people in the world. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys. I cannot thank you enough. Also, if you are new and this is your first time here, I do want to say welcome. I'm Nita at Nita'S Home Decor and Lifestyle TV. If you are not new but you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you here. And so I do want to say thank you to each and every last one of you. Want to thank you so much for your support. Guys, it wouldn't be a channel without you, so thank you. I also want to remind you guys to hit that like button, leave me a comment, and also don't forget to subscribe.
Sit down, sister. It's not worth your time. We got much more to do while we are in a prime. Yeah. Stop trying to change who you are, honey. You're fine, fine. All mothers and queens, all women with dreams. Tonight the world is ours. Hey, we're gonna have that girl, my girl tonight. We're gonna take that load up.
This video is partly sponsored by Teotronics. Teotronics sent out to me this super slim tower fan to help me stay cool throughout the summer. This is a height adjustable 90-degree oscillating tower fan with 5 speeds. It comes with flexible airflow output, which generates the perfect amount of airflow from the 3 running modes, the 5 fan speeds, and 90-degree oscillation to create customized air circulation around you. It is also height adjustable, so change the tower's fan's height by adding or removing the extension stand to place at either 36 inches or 42 inches. And it also comes with a timer. So schedule the tower fan to turn on and off with a 12-hour programmable timer. And it is super easy to operate. You have easy access to the fan's precise settings via the control panel that is on top of the tower fan, or the fully functional remote to choose a running mode, a fan speed. You can set a timer, you can control the oscillation, and you can even mute the beep sound. all from the remote. This is a space-saving design. The slim tower fan can fit perfectly between furniture, and you can use them in any room of your home or wherever you just need that extra cool breeze. If you're interested in this tower fan by Tailtronics, please check my description box below for more information. In the packaging is a user's manual as well as your remote. And also, if you register the product, you can activate your privileged services with 18 months of warranty extension, 30 days of free return shipping, and VIP exclusive discounts.
Take a real close look now.
I ordered both of these wall arts from Overstock. I ordered them both to be framed out in gold. The smaller one, it did not come in gold. They actually shipped it out to me in white, so I spray painted that. And then also the gold on the larger one, it was in gold, but it was not the gold that I was looking for, so I had to spray paint that as well. And it also did not come with the little gold accents on the canvas. I just added some gold leaf paper there to give it a little more pop.
Life isn't easy, you gotta roll the dice. You wanna change, join the paradise. So bring it on if you wanna hang with me. Alright. You know, I know, we kick it like no one else. We kick it like no one else. Listen out, there ain't nothing like this. You know, I know, we kick it like no one else. We kick it like no one else. Listen out, there ain't nothing like this. Take a real close look now. Baby, I'm versatile. Watch me when I come down. I make it worth the while. Take a real close look now. Yeah,
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes. Baby, let them body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep them, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can. Daily, baddest in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up. I made it with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
Thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, until the next time, stay well, be blessed, and I love you. Bye-bye.